Yes, here we go again. This is Empire Finance looking into the market of cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, Bitcoin going for $60,000 per coin and above. Big stuff. This is the bull market 2024, and we're going to be looking at the market from 2024 to 2025, evaluating everything, looking at the facts, looking at some of the things that are going to happen in the future, like the Bitcoin halving. We'll be analyzing the market. As you can see on my screen right now, I have BTC USDT. As you can see right there, Bitcoin trading at $62,000 per coin. 1 week chart. So this 1 week chart will help me to analyze all together and to see how the market goes. But before I carry on, I'd like to say thank you very much for the support. To all the people who have subscribed and supported me in the last video, which is Crypto or Africa Crypto, and which was very, very successful. And I had lots of views and a lot of comments and a lot of likes. I'd like to thank you. Please show to subscribe and also to like the shows. And please do continue supporting. But now let's keep going. Now, this is a very crucial subject for investors, people entirely dedicated in investing in crypto. So time and time again, people have been taking the opportunities right there on my chart. This is a 1 week chart. So the first halving, which happened in 2012. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward to 2020, the previous halving. So halving happened in 2020, but the market boomed in 2021. Okay, the market boomed with the support also with COVID and all those things. So now in 2021, all the way it went down. Okay, came about like $28,000, went up even highest level. So I'm trying to analyze to see if we can have the similar cycle that we are seeing right here. So people may see the coin jumping very high. So might be a possibility that it may come down on these levels again or retrace to these levels. People should be aware. It could be just be a boom to set up a bigger boom like this one here. So that remains to be seen. But as you can see, Bitcoin is about to break the all-time record, which is $69,000, 0.33 and 84. So we'll see how this bull market will play out. Okay, this is a very crucial time for crypto investors and traders. People are trading in the crypto market. I'm also trading. So this is a big thing that's happening. Now it's also on overbought conditions here on my RSI indicator that shows that there's too much buying happening. So overbought condition, they go up to 85. Wow. That's so 70 and above is overbought condition. As long as it's within the range of 30 and under 70, it's still normal. But overbought condition also signal that the market has jumped more than market expectations. So it was unexpected, so it went high. Even I did not even expect it, but we did expect it because we know it's 2024, it's the bull market for crypto. So even here, okay, there's another thing that I want to discuss. Okay, yeah, to carry on, and then in 2020, say 2021, 2022, then that's when we experienced the bear market up to this point here. Bitcoin fell to 15,000. That's the lowest that it could ever fall. Before it fell lowest to like 3K per coin. So these days the all-time, if I should say the all-time support for now, it's at 15K per coin, just above it. Coin market cap as well. Okay, let us just reveal some coin market cap. How the market really looks like on the overall. Looks healthy. And of course, now we are reaching $2.32 trillion of trading in 24 hours Bitcoin. So it has reached a new high, okay, pertaining this year. So we are expecting to much bigger things. It went higher than this before. So this is the market, how it looks like with the green. They're in there 24 hours, but overall, I still suspect that there might be a sell-off that can just set Bitcoin even very, very low. We'll analyze that again on the chart. And up to 10 avalanche, then we have Dodge number 9, we have Cardano at 8, USDC stablecoin, XRP at 7, at 6, and Solana at 5, BNB 4, Tether 3, and number 2 obviously Ethereum, number 1 the all-time great Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm also analyzing Bitcoin on this chart as well. So let's hear about halving. It has to do with this event. What will it do? How will it shake? There are a lot of people on the show that might not understand the concept of halving. Let's go through it together. Halving is to take place soon. Bitcoin halving, big event. Okay, Bitcoin block reward will decrease from 6.25 to 3.125 coins in approximately 50 days, 17 hours, 49 minutes, and 30 some seconds. Current block at 832,693. Bitcoin halving at block hashtag 840,000. 7307 blocks to go. Okay, estimated date and type of a reward drop 21 April 2024 10:50. This is why this is a big year. So this year is the halving year. So I also do expect that the market will be booming much more in 2025. That's why I say this is to analyze for Bitcoin or crypto analysis from 2024 to 2025. So we're going to look at the market for a longer term, if I should say. Okay, what is Bitcoin halving? Bitcoin halving. Okay, Bitcoin has a total supply of 21 million. The underlying code ensures that only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This has to do with the fact that they are avoiding inflation. That's what we are having a problem with our current system of money, to reduce or to curb inflation, making sure that things don't get too expensive. So that's why you have 21 million Bitcoins only. Okay, so you can learn more about inflation. It's all about economics. Bitcoin's finite supply is a strong economic statement and supports its value system. Bitcoin is distributed through mining. There are other concepts that have replaced mining, which is proof of work, POW. Okay, proof of work, no, it's mining. Okay, and then there is POS, which is proof of stake, which is adopted largely by the Ethereum blockchain. The 21 million Bitcoins in existence are scheduled to be mined through the year 2140. So by 2140, the entire 21 million will be already be mined. That is the prediction or the protocol. Okay, that is the last Bitcoin is expected to be mined in the year 2040. At the current rate of emission, the unmined Bitcoin will be exhausted before this speculated time. Okay, almost 90% of Bitcoin's total supply has been mined. About 900 Bitcoins are mined per day currently. So that's the system. It looks like they won't be changing the system of mining from proof of work to proof of stake. To sustain the emission and increase scarcity, the number of Bitcoin emitted per block is regularly reduced. This process of reducing the Bitcoin emission per block is known as Bitcoin halving. We are halving it to half. So let's say if the reward was 4, just making an example, just to make it simple. Then when the halving comes, and then that 4 will be cut into half, so you get a block reward of 2. Then the next halving, you don't cut it in half, then you get the block reward of 1, just to make it more simpler understand. The most recent 2020 halving reduced, after a predetermined block height, a number that is used to indicate a particular block. The amount of Bitcoin emitted per block is reduced to half of the previous number. For Bitcoin, new halving occurs after an interval of 210 blocks or 4 years. Okay, the most recent 2020 halving, the one that we're analyzing, that's the recent one, the recent boom before this one that we are on now. Bitcoin emission from 12.25 per block to they half it 6.25. That's the half of 12.5. The half of 12.5 is 6.5. That's what the halving means. Okay, I know there might, some of our crypto veterans watching, they know all this, but I'm just doing this for the newbies. There are a lot of people who still don't understand the concept of halving per block. This means that instead of 12.5 bitcoins, miners will now be rewarded with a 6.25 bitcoins per block per block mined. So that's basically it. And another thing that adds to Bitcoin's recent rally, this uptrend, it has to do with also last year's crypto regulations that were profoundly very, very, very heavy on crypto exchanges, crypto exchange CEOs facing the law, such as CZ from Binance, also Sam Bankman-Fried. We all know about his story. It's all in the world of crypto news. And so crypto regulations had come with a very powerful punctuation to clean out the bad actors so that you can increase trust within the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency investment sector. So what had taken place has also helped Bitcoin as in its state currently to move in a positive way. Though we have obvious reasons, there's halving that's coming, but also this positive sentiment about towards cryptocurrency ETFs being implemented it will play a major role in boosting cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin investment and its prices right now. This current boom could be bigger than we think. It's going to go bigger than this, bigger than before. Obviously, that's what everybody wants. That's what people who invest in crypto. And if we carry on, such situations like the Gemini now having to act properly, losing a little bit of that pronunciation, but anyway. So this thing of Gemini having to return 1.1 billion to its customers. These are some of the influences that the crypto regulation in 2023 have. People have been justly Winklevoss's Gemini to return 1.1 billion to customers in New York settlement. Settlement also requires Gemini to pay a 37 million fine. Gemini failed to protect and program customers, agency says. Yeah, you understand. So this kind of things that are happening, and CEO being pointed out, and big companies being rattled. Yes, it's hard for the people who develop this. Sometimes they don't do it on purpose. Illicit activities happen everywhere. Okay, so sometimes people use cryptocurrency for terrorism and so forth, and trafficking. Okay, the crypto exchange fund founded by Win entrepreneurs Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss will return at least $1.1 billion to customers, though the Genesis Global Capital bankruptcy as part of settlement with the New York Department of Financial Services. The New York based firm will also pay a $37 million. Okay, the story goes on there. Okay, a bit of that advertising, but that's the whole look on the cryptocurrency these days. Okay, and Gemini